Okay, hello everyone. My name is Mr. Putra. I'm from the class studying accounting art. And today I'm going to do mukbang with one of my favorite food. Ayam geprek cebejao. Just look at this. Smile, so good and spicy. Okay, let's take the first bite. Wow, it's super spicy but really delicious. The chili flavor mixed perfectly with the crispy chicken. If you love spicy food, you'll so definitely try it. Alright, I'm getting full now. Thank you for watching. See you next time.